everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick update. When you don't post anything for a while, people start asking what's going on. It's been a while since I posted anything on my main channel. I just got back from 3 weeks out of town helping a family member recover from a surgery, and now I'm trying to get back to work after a very stressful time. But I'm just not really feeling up to it, which leads me into the topic of this video. So, have you noticed a general sense that something is off with YouTube lately? As a creator, I've been feeling it for the past few months, and I've talked to other creators who are also feeling the same way. My friend Tiffany Ferguson just posted a video on her channel about this that really struck a chord. Why does YouTube feel so lackluster and stale right now? It's something a lot of creators and viewers alike are feeling. It's like suddenly everyone collectively got bored with the platform.
I want to talk about why YouTube is feeling so lackluster, so stale lately. Is it just me? I don't know. I don't think so. As a viewer and a creator, I have just been feeling very disconnected from YouTube lately.
Creators may have just lost a lot of interest in making videos, especially coming down from the past couple of years where everyone was riding a pandemic high of large view counts and subscriptions. I kind of feel bad for a lot of the channels that started in 2020 and thought that those views and numbers were normal and are now experiencing a drop. It's very demotivating to make videos that nobody watches. And as a viewer, I've noticed that channels I like to follow are posting fewer and fewer videos or less often. One of the things Tiffany pointed out in her video was that YouTube demands a constant churning of content, which may lead to audience boredom. I mean, can you imagine if your favorite TV show just went on week after week with no seasons, no season or series finales? I think as viewers, we need a chance to breathe and reflect on what we saw and to anticipate new episodes. With YouTube, there's no closure on anything. The algorithm expects non-stop content or your channel will pay the penalty. Officially, YouTube loves to tell creators that you should just take time off for your own mental health, but in reality, you'll get passed up by competitors, you won't show up in recommended feeds, and your channel will decline. In fact, if you stop posting for 6 months, YouTube will demonetize your channel. This is probably another way of pushing aside older legacy content. If you ever thought about that, at least someday you'll have passive income from years of video content, forget it. Another thing is that lately all the momentum is over on TikTok and Instagram. YouTube seems to be playing catch up rather than innovating the way it used to. I think YouTube is starting to feel a little like Facebook, an aging platform that feels a little bit stale. Even the interface is looking dated. When was the last time YouTube changed it? All other on-demand platforms that have adopted kind of a tiled scrolling interface you've seen with like Netflix, while YouTube just kind of seems stuck in 2013 or whenever it was they made that last update. So the last full-length video I posted on my main channel was well over a month ago. That was a project video without epoxy, so naturally it got extremely low views. A month earlier I posted a video about saw blades, which did a little bit better, but I haven't felt excited about making videos. One of the things I did do that was really fun was building projects without making a video. Well, actually I did. I should say I made the projects and only shot a little bit of video, and then I posted them as 1-minute shorts. Those get more views and it just requires a lot less effort to make, so I could just have fun making the projects. I got to prototype some designs I'm working on for another potential program, and I had a lot of fun just painting those crazy colors. Of course, this comes with a huge drop in YouTube revenue since YouTube doesn't pay shit for shorts. My AdSense revenue last month was the lowest in years. But the whole time I was out of town, the threat of YouTube punishing me for not making videos constantly loomed over my head. I think even if I were to take 2 weeks off for an island vacation, I would feel that same pressure. It's not healthy to expect creatives to produce 365 days a year, but that's the way the platform is set up, and I know this is a privileged job. Oh, but while I was away, I did manage to write a script for a video about YouTube gurus, the vampires of YouTube, but I'll save that for the next video on this channel. I think that'll be a fun one. I really enjoy the freedom of posting to this channel with zero interest in feeding the beast or appeasing viewer demand. The people who watch these videos, you, are here because you want to be, not because YouTube's algorithm feeds this video up to you. It kind of reminds me of YouTube back in 2008. I'm also finding enormous satisfaction with my podcast. I think it's pretty good. If you haven't listened to it, I hope you'll check it out. Or not. Whatever. Anyway, let me know if this is something that you've noticed as a viewer or as a creator. I guess it's because Tiffany's one of the few people who's been making videos even longer than me that her video resonated with me. I can tell you for certain that YouTube is cyclical, both for viewers and creators. Over my 14 years, there's always been ups and downs, but somehow it just feels off right now, like there's something in the air. But as she also suggested, maybe it's just that the world is just feeling burned out right now.